Underneath the lift gate in the rear of the van, you'll find the kitchen. In the kitchen, you'll find the sink. Lift up the lid, lift up the faucet, and open up the valve. You've got running water. The pump does need to be on the center control panel. Close the lid of the sink and you can use this area as extra prep space. You can also use this area to store things. Right here is the refrigerator. Got a latch here, pull that latch, open it up, and you've got a 20-liter drawer-style fridge. The fridge should be set. If you turn it all the way to max, it does become a freezer. Lift the gate to close it and make sure it latches so you don't lose any of that cool air. The stove and all of the storage is accessed inside this drawer. To open it up, pull up on the latch and pull the drawer open using the handle. Pull down on the second latch and rotate the drawer open. To set up the stove, first know that it's not attached, so you can take it out of the kitchen and use it out at the picnic table at your campsite. First, pull up the grate. Then you'll be able to open up the windscreens. Attach those. They'll help to keep in some of the heat. And reattach the grate. This is the regulator, and this attaches on the outside here. Once that's attached, you take your bottle of propane, take off the lid, and tighten it on to the other side of the regulator. Your van rental comes with a 9-inch skillet and a 2-quart pot with a lid, a chef's knife, serving spoon, and spatula, a cutting board and 2 silicone trivets, 2 bottles of propane and a lighter, 4 place settings, 4 plates, cups, bowls, mugs, and sets of silverware, and 2 kitchen towels, a sponge, and a small bottle of dish soap. A bin for food is also included, and you can add on a coffee press, kettle, cooler, or extra table if you like.